Hello, I'm Zoe. In this episode of Drive Go Go I will present the new Honda HR-V. Honda is refreshing its top-of-the-line SUV for the 2019 model year. The front of the car is presenting a new interpretation of Honda's solid wing face. The front bumper received new air intake and fog lights. The tailgate is garnished with the same material than the front. Both front and rear lights are upgraded to full LEDs. Honda added new 17-inch alloy and one color to the HR-V option list. In the interior, the seats are the main change, with new material of better quality used for the upholstery and cushions. Honda also increased the quantity on insulating material. Paired with the active noise cancellation technology, the HR-V is more quiet. First engine available is a 1.5-liter petrol engine with 130 horsepower. In spring, Honda will add a more powerful version of the 1.5-liter and a diesel engine. The HR-V proposed two transmissions, a 6-speed manual or a CVT. Those are the main characteristics. Visit our website to learn more. If you enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe to not miss the next one. Thank you for watching. See you soon on Drive Go Go.